विसवा उपरांत तुमचे स्वागत. ज्या राजकारण्यांनी बेकायदेशीरपणान जागा कन्वर्ट केल्या तांची आपल्याक वळेरी दियात, तांचेर आपूण कारवाय करतलो. मडगांवां जावपी रॅलीच्या 48 वरां पयलीं NTPDA लॉबीक मंत्री विजयाचें आव्हान. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
Meeting is being organized by an organization called Goincho Awaz. They are claiming the support of the church. Meeting is scheduled for the 24th, that is Friday, day after tomorrow. Now, the reason cited by the organizers for holding the meeting was that they would expose the list of politicians who have got their lands converted illegally under Regional Plan 2021. Now, I am eager to know the list of these politicians, and if they have illegally converted eco-sensitive lands, then the government is willing to take action and bring the land to its original condition. That means bring it back to non-settlement, that means orchard and agriculture zoning. So I am eagerly waiting for the list to be exposed there. I am also offering to them that if they want, they can get me the list tomorrow. The government will take action.
Okay.
Even before the meeting. That does not mean I am trying to stop their meeting. To hold a meeting is their democratic right. Let them hold the meeting. But let them also expose all these politicians, because we are nowhere involved in this Regional Plan 2021. Give the list, we will take action.
What do you expect?
Secondly, I want to very clearly give an indication that our doors are open for a dialogue and discussion. But that has to be within the rules of the law. The rule of the law is that we have to talk within the framework of certain guidelines. By and large, we should agree that Goa needs planned development. Many a times, most of the times in the present scenario, we hear what we don't want. We as Goenkas don't want this. We as Goenkas don't want that. Let us reach a positive mindset and say what we want. It is not only about what we don't want. Let us decide what we want. And we expect the church, which is a responsible big institution, to basically foster dialogue and discussion, and not like one of its organs is presently doing. That organ appears to be heavily politicized and is instigating a form of anarchy, wherein one set of demands once met, immediately another demand comes to scrap your own department, which is beyond my powers. So therefore I cannot discuss that. So we expect the church to basically foster dialogue and discussion and chart a direction for Goa to have planned development in the future with a positive mindset.